Solving exponential equations and inequalities. So this is our learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner is able to solve exponential equation and inequalities and solve problems involving exponential equation and inequalities. So this is our lesson outline. Number 1, solve exponential equation. Number 2, solve exponential inequalities. One-to-one property of exponential function. If x sub 1 is not equal to x sub 2, then b raised to x sub 1 is not equal to b raised to x sub 2. Conversely, if b raised to x sub 2, then x sub 1 is equal to x sub 2. Example 1. Solve the equation 4 is equal to 16. Solution. Write both sides with 4 as the base. Since our base is already equal, we can already get the exponent and we equate it, so x minus 1 is equal to 2. So we will move negative 1 on the right side together with the positive 2. So therefore, x is equal to 2 plus 1 under x is equal to 3. So there is another ways to solve the equation, which is alternate solution. Write both sides with 2 as the base. So we will express 4 as 2 squared, then 16 is 2 raised to the power of raised to 4. Why raised to 4? Because if you multiply 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 4 times 2 that is 8, then 8 times 2 that is 16. That's why it's 2 raised to 4. Since our base is already equal, so we have to here that we should first multiply an x minus 1. So this will be 2x, that is 2x minus 2 times 1, that is 2. That is equal to 4. So we will move negative 2 to the right side together with 4, and that is 2x minus is equal to 4 plus 2, and then 2x is equal to 6 divided by both sides by 2x is equal to 3. Next is property of exponential inequalities. If b, so there is b as our base is greater than 1, then the exponential function y is equal to b raised to x is increasing for all values of x. This means that b raised to x less than b raised to y if and only if x less than y. If your base is less than 0 and less than 1, then the exponential function y is equal to b raised to x is decreasing for all values of x. This means that b raised to x is greater than b raised to y if and only if x is less than y. So, I please. So, we are going to example 4. Solve the inequality. So, 3 raised to x less than 3 squared raised to x minus 2. Solution. Both 9 and 3 can be written using 3 as the base. We have 3 raised to x less than 9 raised